hackers attack US state and local government networks, US government says. 3,09,646 patients recovered from coronavirus in Pakistan. UN chief calls for investment in culture to promote global solidarity. In Syria, 15 people have been killed in the US-led drone attack that targeted a meeting of rebel commanders in Idlib. PIA special flight airlift 165 Pakistani citizens from Chengdu, China to Islamabad. Turkey Iraq over joint declaration by Cyprus, Greece and Egypt. UN says Libyan sides sign countrywide ceasefire deal. Pakistani author wins prestigious Brain of the Year award in Britain.